So hi everybody and welcome. This is video number 3, and in this video we are using the created UV-SkySphere skybox which we have created in Blender, imported here to Unreal Engine, and now we are going to use it. Here is our UV-Sphere. To do so, we go to File, we go to Create New Level. You don't have to create a new level if you have already a map where you want to use it, but for this demonstration I create a new level and I use not the default one because the default one has already a SkySphere. I use the empty level. So this is our start point. Now I go to the UV-Sphere which I have imported. This is in my case this one. I drag and drop it in my scene, then I reset the location. So to do that I go here right on the side to details. On top where it says transform, I reset the location to 000, that so it is in the center, and then I go down to scale and set all to 500. To make it easy I can use this lock here and write 500, and now we have our UV-SkySphere finished, almost finished. Why almost? Because if you start now the scene, it will be dark. There is no light. Okay, what we have to do before I implement the light, let's implement fast cube 2 with a character so we can see what we are doing. So first of all I put fast, I drag and drop a cube in it, I reset the location in details again to 0, I zoom in a little bit and I scale it to X for 10, Y to 10, and set. Oh, I can't scale it this way because I have used the lock. I have unlocked it. So one more time, 10, 10. 10 is okay for X, Y is okay with 10, and set. I don't want 10, I want 0.1. So then we can see we have our floor. We can call it a floor. We could use also the plane, but I like this more, don't know why. So the next thing is I want just place faster character on it. So what I'm going to do is I use the third person game mode because I have already there a default character, and I get this and I place this, and now we have here our character. So the next thing what I'm going to do is, like I said, when I start this this level, it will be dark. There is no light, you can see it, there is nothing. But now I want to implement a light. There are different light. So if you messed here up, for example like me, and don't know how to go back, there is an easy trick. You just click, for example, the cube which we created and press F and it jumps back, and then you can use the normal arrow case, move case, which you are used to in the editor mode. So back to the light. So we go here on the left side to light, and this is not a light tutorial, so you have a little bit looking for other tutorials how to set up lights and so on, but in easy demonstration you can use the skylight, plus you need one more thing, for example the directional light. I don't know if it's working with spotlight, I'm not sure. So you can see it's not working. I drag and drop it down, so I delete this one again, the spotlight, I delete this, but now I'm dragging down the directional light. This one is working, and I don't think you need even a sky light here. Let me see this one. I can delete this. Yeah, you need just a directional light if you want this one. But like I said, the problem is here the light setting. You have to watch another video because this is a little bit more, a little bit more difficult than this one. So the next thing is what we are going to do. is we have our light, we have already this, but you can see this is just a directional light which covers not all around. You can change this when you watch the video, but this will work when you start. For example, this one, we have our character here, but there is still one thing missing. And what is this? It is the texture. We have no texture material on the SkySphere. This is very easy. You just create a material. I go to my materials folder here on the left side. I can just choose a material and drag and drop it on my SkySphere, because it is just a static mesh, and a static mesh means you can just drag and drop a material on it. It is the one way. For example, I choose just a very basic material. In this case, let's choose this one here. I choose this one, and you can see now I have something like this one, or I have this cloudy one with drag and drop. And if you don't want to use drag and drop, you can also use the details panel. You click the static mesh again, which is our SkySphere, and then you scroll down to materials, and then you can also select here the material what what you want. Yeah, that's it so far. Of course, you have to play here a little bit around with the light, and so you can see this is just a directional light which not covers all. But of course, if you, for example, if you change the position here, I think, oh, not working. Okay, you go here, playing a little bit with the light. For example, instead of a directional light, you use anything else, and so it will then work. And yeah, I stopped this video here. It's a little bit long, but I hope it helped. Okay, bye.